Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp hanging on iPhone. To know how to fix WhatsApp hanging on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp here. And when you will see this page, you will go to first stop. Apps, and here WhatsApp. Sorry for that mistake. WhatsApp, and then first stop, and then you will click storage. After that, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.